Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily disable updates in Windows 11. Let's begin step by step. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update from the left side. Now you will see the update settings on the right. Look for the option called Pause Updates. Click on a drop-down just in front of it, where you can choose how long you want to pause updates. For example, to pause updates for 1 week, click on it. Once selected, Windows will stop downloading and installing updates during this period. If you want to resume updates manually, simply click on Resume Updates. This is useful when you are working and don't want interruptions. And that's how you temporarily disable Windows updates.